In front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy section. Now scroll again to tap on Device Unlock and click on Screen Lock over here. Now it's time to pick one of those login methods: swipe, pattern, PIN or password. Personally, I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security whatsoever, just this animation. So I would go with one of those if I were you. Let's try pattern. Now create your login method, and if you made a mistake or change your mind, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Then tap on next at the bottom right one and repeat it to confirm it. Select confirm and answer this question by choosing one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on to check it out, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!